Any advice that you have for aspiring marketers out there that want to travel a brand path, that look at brands like Culture Kings, that look at badass operators like you and want to follow in that direction, in that path?
Yeah, yeah. I definitely think if you're very early on in your career, say for example, if you're in school currently or just, starting to look into what professional paths you could take, I definitely recommend interning. It's just such a great way to get hands-on experience. And there's a lot that you can't learn from books or lectures, right? In the traditional sense. I think the best way to learn is to just essentially jump in the swimming pool and start swimming. And it's funny because some of our team, when they first started, they didn't know what a brand activation meant. They were like, "What is the activation? Can you describe like what that means?" But obviously as marketers, we throw that word around all the time. And, now they've become incredible marketers themselves. And I think my philosophy is always really just to like hit the ground running, right? And something that I really believe in is the grass is always like the greenest where you're watering it. So wherever you are, the more time you spend honing your skills and developing really amazing relationships, that's going to help you in the long run. And the second kind of part to that is definitely relationship building, right? No matter where you are and what field you're in, the relationships should be top priority because that's just going to help you build, as a marketer, build the most compelling partnerships and launches and collaborations. And a lot of things come together purely because of relationships. And I think that's definitely my biggest takeaway. And even from my team, and I really encourage them to kind of go out and network and meet people. In a nutshell, I think being able to get a lot of hands-on experience and being able to network really well and build those, I guess, like soft skills and build these relationships, it's just very essential and can really steer the trajectory of your career in the long run.